Brahmadev, written in Rigveda, Prayagasya Praveshat Papam Nashi Takshana means all sins are destroyed the moment you enter Prayagraj. Jai Shri Ram. Today we are going to talk about Prayagraj, a city which is known for politics in Triveni Sangam, Hanuman Temple, Akshayavat and Kumbh Mela. Here we are going to talk about some religious facts. According to Hindu belief, after the creation of the universe, the creator, Brahmadev, performed the Pratham Yajna, which means the first fire ceremony in Prayagraj. Because of this Pratham Yajna, Prayag was formed by combining Pra from Pratham and Yag from Yag. That's how it became Prayag. Dwadash Madhav. The presiding deity of this holy city is Sri Vishnu himself, and he is present here in the form of Madhav. There are 12 forms of Sri Vishnu present here, who is called Dwadashmat. Let's talk about Kumbh Mela now. As we know, this place is also known for Sangam Snan, which means holy dips. According to the Vishnu Puran, after the completion of Samudra Manthan, while carrying the Amrit Kalash, Sri Vishnu dropped a few drops of Amrit in four places: Ujjain, Haridwar, Nashik, and Prayagraj. In Prayagraj, it is known as Triveni Sangam. That's the reason why Prayagraj is known for Sangam Snan. At the Sangam of Prayagraj, Ganga, Yamuna, and mysteriously Saraswati, these three rivers meet. That's why it is called Triveni Sangam. It is believed that taking a bath at Triveni Sangam destroys all sins. For this reason, Kumbh Mela is also celebrated here in the month of March. Mahakumbh Mela celebrated in every 12 years when Jupiter, Sun, and Moon align together. Because these alignments are believed to make the river water spiritually powerful. Some myths about Prayagraj. Prayagraj is the birthplace of Som, Varun, and Prajapati. Prayagraj has also been described in the context of mythological characters from Vedic and Buddhist scriptures. This was the place of knowledge of great Saint Bharadwaj, Sant Durvasa, and Sant Panna. Rishi Bharadwaj lived here around 5000 BC and taught more than 10,000 students. He was a great philosopher of the ancient world. Now let's talk about Akshavat. According to religious belief, it is the one of the 14 gems that emerged from the Amrit Manthan. It is said that when the Pralay occurred in the universe, everything drowned, but Akshavat, which was also called as Shamalvar, remained stable in its place. It says that Sri Vishnu slept on one of its leaves as a child. According to Ramayana, during Vanvas, Sri Ram, Ma Sita, and Lakshmana spent 3 nights here and worshipped beneath it. It is believed that after the Snan in Sangam, the journey is considered incomplete unless you visited Akshavat. And now, Hanuman Temple. This Hanuman temple, located in Prayagraj, has a unique idol of Lord Hanuman, faces south, and measures 20 feet in the length. It is said to be situated at least 6 to 7 feet below ground level and at least 600 to 700 years old. In the city of Sangam, he is known by various names like Bade Hanuman Ji, Kile Wale Hanuman Ji, Lete Hanuman Ji, and Bandh Wale Hanuman Ji. It is believed that Kamada Devi, the goddess who fulfills desires, is placed beneath the left foot, and Ahiravan, brother of Ravan, is pinned beneath the right foot. His right hand is adorned with the figures of Ram and Lakshman, while his left hand gracefully holds a mace or gada. Bajrangbali fulfills the wishes of all devotees who visits this sacred site. There is two stories about this sacred place. First one said that after achieving victory over Lanka, Hanuman along with Lord Ram and Sena was returning to Ayodhya. He began to feel weary along the way. Consequently, at the behest of Mother Sita, he lay down here on the bank of Sangam. And second story said that the king of Kannauj does not has child. As a remedy, his guru advised him commission the creation of an idol of Lord Hanuman, especially the form in which he descended in the netherworld to rescue Ram and Lakshman from the Nagpash. This idol of Lord Hanuman must be crafted and bought from the Vindhyachal mountains. The king of Kannauj did as the Guru said, while bringing the idol of Lord Hanuman from Vindhyachal by boat. The boat suddenly broke apart and the idol submerged into the river Ganga. Deeply distressed by this sight, the king returned to his kingdom. Many years after this incident, when the water level of the Ganges receded, the idol was discovered by Baba Balgiri Maharaj, who was a devotee of Lord Hanuman. Considering both events in mind, a temple dedicated to the reclining Lord Hanuman was established at this very spot. And the best fact I listened about this temple is that every year in Savan Mas, river Ganga's water level goes up and Hanuman's idol take a holy dip in the river. It is a beautiful miracle happens every year and we all worship him as reclining Hanuman in Prayagraj.